Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clean Instagram cache on Android phone. So everybody, that's actually so easy to have be done and to have been completed. So what I want you to do, guys, is to go to your phone settings or device settings, and right there on your system settings you can clear cache of Instagram. Yeah, because that option is not available on the app, so you just need to head over into your settings. So let's go. Alright, so right here I will just go into my settings, tap on it, and right now what I'm gonna do is to scroll down into here. I can see the apps option right here, tap on it, and after that I want you to go to that option that you can manage your apps on. So let's go to the second option, and right here even you can look for Instagram right here, or you can just go into the search bar, yeah, and type right here Instagram. Okay, so as you can see, I have multiple options right here. I can go into my storage to check why my storage is 1.32 gigabytes. Right, so I can check just from here, and yeah, and also I can go into the data usage right here to see how much kilobytes or megabytes Instagram use this month. Alright, and yeah, there are some options right here, but what I want to go through is that option, clear data. So once you tap on clear data, you have right now two options. Either you want to clear all the data or to clear cache. So I want you to go into the clear cache right here and tap on it. And after that, I just want to go into OK. And yeah, just like that, you can clear Instagram cache on the Android phone. Thank you for watching and goodbye.